Hi everyone, this is Barbara with Kaizink. One of the issues that we've been running into is our front counter is getting loaded down with customer supplied materials or partial orders that come in up front, and we don't know what to do with them, and there's not a lot of room down here to store those efficiently. So I am going to come up with a solution for that to make it better. I'll be back. So this is part 2 of the video. We have these that we use for each of the different departments: screen print, DTF, DTG, and embroidery, where we write the information on them of what's going on with that order. So on this particular one, what I'm doing is giving the order number, the customer, the date, and what we're waiting for. So I took poly tubing and made little pouches to hold each of these in here that I put the information on, and store a crate right here that is easy to get to. So now that this form is filled out along with the purchase order, I can take the garments that I do have, put them in the crate right there, ready, along with the information needed, and take it to the department that is waiting for it. Thank you.